1966 Stingray, baby. Check out red Stingray from Chevrolet. Yeah, mint condition by the looks of it in every aspect. Oh, I don't think, maybe not in every aspect, but almost. Unless that is supposed to be that way. Who knows? I don't. Do you? You do? Let me know. I like to know. And other inquiring minds would probably like to know. But you gotta admit, the design is definitely unique and beautiful. Kind of looks like a combination of a space-age car thrown together with a hot rod. I'm just saying. Until the next episode of Willis Talk, stay tuned for this and much, much more.